Hey guys, I picked up this headlight bucket or headlight assembly over at Pelican, and I'm having some problems getting it to work. Thought I'd take a minute, show a video, and see if I'm doing something wrong or possibly have the wrong part. So here it goes. Alright, so here it is. Here's my car. It's a 67. There's my tab. And then when I put this in, and again, I don't have the rubber seals on yet. So when I fit it, it just doesn't come down. So I reattach it. If I do that, then I have a gap which is not hooked onto that lip right there, and then down here that doesn't quite match up with the hole. So if you guys can help me out, if I have the wrong part or what, let me know. Thanks so much, guys.